How to delete sent email in Outlook before recipients reads. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Mail of Outlook. Then add from, to, and add your subject. And then send. As you can see, an email has been sent to an account. To delete it, click on Move. After clicking on Move, you'll find these options. Then click on Actions. Then you'll again find all these options. After that, click on Recall this message. After clicking on that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find two options: delete unread copies of this message, and then delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Simply click on the option you like, then click on OK, and you're good to go. That's how you delete sent email in Outlook before recipient reads. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.